Part 3. Analyzing the infrastructures of the church and the society, we can explain and we can see the mission of the church and mission of the society. The mission of the church is the salvation of the mankind. The mission of the society, we can say that it is development, it is creation of different institutions who can resolve different problems and others necessary goals. We can see that the church has own laws like commandments and other local or not local, or maybe other laws, and the society or the states has the constitutions and other laws, and every of these laws we can say that they are for the good of the people. But which problem we have? Which is the difference between the laws of the Bible, laws of the church, and laws in the society? That the laws in this Bible are given to us by God. They are eternal. And the laws of the state is not always goodwill of the citizens, but often they are the result of the lobbies of the different monopolies in our society. For example, banks, different corporations and others. And this development for the goods of all people is not only don't go for the goods of all people, but usually the society works for the status and for the power of some persons. And we can see the results of this approach. We have poverty, we have ecological problem, we have pollutions, we have destroying of the nature, we have many people who are not happy, people who can't study, because not always for the politics is good to have the people with good instruction and education. Often it is better to have the people who don't have good vision and good knowledge, who can only to work and be happy for some salaries, but without the possibility to realize themselves. There are many in the infrastructure of the church and in the infrastructure of the society. We have citizens, families, communities, and other which build the society and the church. And we can understand and we can see that the development or the problem of this eternal institution depends from the laws of the society and depends from when they follow or not follow the laws and commandments of the church, in practice the commandments of God. We can speak in our time, we can speak about the many problems, how we say before, because many things depends from the so-called system of moral waivers. And in this moment we see the great mission of the church to create and to promote the objective system of moral values, because on the base of the moral values the person chooses own ethics and culture, and then his own behavior in the system, market, or in the democracy. Maybe it's strange, but the society in theory needs good, effective church structure. If this society would like real good for their people. But not always so, because in the modern time we have many so-called structure of the sin, which are rich and thanks of the unknowledge people, thanks when the people don't have good instruction and education, and they are ready to manipulate the behavior of the citizens, which can we see in many fields on our society, like economics, like politics, elections, and others, in particular in the distribution of the social good. We can analyze, can we say that the society often don't have this harmony of the relations between the citizen, his family, and the institution created in the society. And the same we can see even in the church's body, in the church's structure, that the church who was born, who was created by God, by Christ, was shared in different small churches. And we can say, and here we can see the great mission of the ecumenism in the church, to renew the dialogues between different churches and to unite them in one body. And the same we can see the necessity we can say in the social community, or the solidarity of the cooperation of the citizens in the society for their good. So we can say that we need good church. We need real church who realize this great mission of so-called, we can call it social communism. When I ask many students and I give them very simple question, and I repeat it to you, which I said before: why do you study communism? And to study communism, it means to know how to renew the harmony between God and human person, and in the society how to renew the harmony between the citizen and different human institutions in it. Because in first way or in other way, it depends not only the quality of our life, but our practical salvation. And when I say to you that I will use and I prefer to use the concrete dates and facts of and arguments of the statistics and the theology. And I sent to you the different files and videos about the social and economic problems, like nature, like destroyed all the seas and deserts and others. Because we can maybe, it's strange, but often it is as a result of the sin, and the sin is a result of the vision of the persons, because they choose the mistakes but not the truth. And the great mission of the church, with its assembly of free persons, is to promote the truth in our society, because only the truth can build, how it is written in Gospel, can build a real kingdom of God, can build real state on the principles of the justice and the beauty. And for it, it's very important, the mission of the information. And our second topic, which I would like that you will write to me, it will be on the term like the role of information for the promotion of the culture, or maybe not culture, for the development or for the crisis of the mankind, and for the crisis, even we can say this, for the crisis of the religion. In my mind, I can say to you that I have never considered that the church is in crisis. Church can be persecuted. Church can develop the infrastructure or not, but the church has very great potential in one thing: to change the vision of the person. Thinking of prayer, thinking of the community dialogue, thinking of the rebuilding of the relations between the citizens and their community and with their hearts. It's important to remember.